Instagram. You know me, Mark Morris, my series. I was talking about shaving. Thought I'd give you a layout of my shaving. I have my Gillette Fusion. I have the alcohol. And then I have Dollar Shave Club. I put a fresh Gillette razor. I gotta buy some more tomorrow. That'll cost me another 20, 30 bucks. Then I always talk to you about the teeth. This is my teeth setup. Water pick, teeth whitener, toothpaste, Rotodent, floss, proxy brush. And this is my bathroom. Take a look at my bathroom. This bathroom is super clean, man. I don't mess around when it comes to my bathroom. There's the products again. Shaving cream, alcohol, Dollar Shave Tree, razor, and then we have the water pick, Rotodent, Crest. Take a look, subscribe. Want to help you tone your teeth and shave your